Guys, we're gonna make some stuffed peppers in my Ninja Foodi Grill. Coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I am CJ, and I'm excited to be here for you today. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, and we get alerts on all what we're doing here. I said we will get alerts, but you will get, I'll get alert too. I get alerts when hey. Anyway, so we're all gonna get alerts together once you hit that bell, okay? And since I know you're gonna love this one, hit that like button. I'll tell you what, if I get to 500 likes on this video, I'll shave my head. It's already shaved. Anyway, but we'll get those 500 likes anyway. Okay, so real quick, stuffed bell peppers. Got red, orange, green, yellow, purple. No, I'm just kidding. I got green, orange, and yellow. All I did with these real quick was I cut off the bottom to make them level out because they're all kind of wobbly. They're all over the place. So I cut off the bottom, took off the top real easy like, cleared out the ribs, the seeds, all that good stuff in there. So I have a yellow, orange, and green, and we're gonna stuff it with some good stuff. But we're gonna have to go to the stove. We're not going to the Ninja Foodi Grill station just yet. Wait a second. We are gonna go to the stove. Listen, I have some smoked beef short ribs. Not everybody's gonna have some leftover smoked beef short ribs lying around, so you can use hamburger meat, you can use Italian sausage, make it your own, okay? So don't stress about the protein I'm using in this. Whatever you got on hand, use it up, okay? Let's get over to the stove, get this thing started. Nothing left to it, but get to do it. Let's go. Okay, let's get some onions in here. We got 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Get the onions sauteed up. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of garlic in there after we get the onions all sweated down a little bit. Okay, these sweat down quite a bit. We're not trying to, burn them to brown, but I'm gonna add a tablespoon of minced garlic. Just doing a quick saute on the minced garlic. You definitely don't want to burn that. All right, let's add in our whole kernel corn real quick. Get that all going together. Getting all those flavors combined. Okay. Get that going for a hot second. All right, corn's looking good. Corn, onions, garlic. Whew, looking good, smelling good. Time to add your... Well, I was gonna say time to add your short rib, but you may not be using short ribs for this. Guys, I gotta tell you, I didn't do a video on the smoked short rib, but good golly almighty, it was so good. So fine. I put a picture of me slicing, or put a little video of me slicing it up on Instagram. I haven't had more likes on a video ever. All right, we're gonna add a couple teaspoons black pepper. You can add more if you like. A couple pinches of some kosher salt. Good. So basically, obviously, everything's cooked in here. The meat's cooked, but we're getting it a little warm through, letting it break down a little bit, loosen up. Let some of its juices combine with the onions and the corn and all that. What's up with the magic chef skills? All right, it's looking good. Looking good. Give it a few minutes to come together and hang out and get to know each other. All right, so I just sampled it for seasoning. It's got great flavor, but it needs a little heat. So I got a little crushed chipotle pepper. You can use crushed red pepper. This complements the smoky flavor in there. Let's mix in this Mott's. It's gonna add a nice creamy element to it. See how it's stringy in there? Oh, look at that. No, this is gonna taste good. This is ready to go. Let's get on over to the Ninja Foodi Grill station. Get these peppers set up. What do you say? All right, guys, we're coming off the stove. Got our little mix here. Before we get started, let's preheat this bad boy. So turn it on. We're gonna bake. We're gonna use 350 as the temp. $3.50. Time 20 minutes. We're gonna cook the peppers for 20 minutes and do an extra 5 in there for the browning of the cheese. Okay? I don't know if you can tell, but when I was trying to level these out, there's little holes in the bottom. That's okay. It's gonna be sat on the pan. A little bit will leak out, no big deal, okay? All right, let's get these peppers stuffed. The mixture will be hot, so be careful. Don't worry if a little bit of strings of the cheese hanging over the side. We're trying to eat something good here. We're not trying to make art, right? So if a little bit of hanging over, that's a solid stuffed pepper right there. So yeah, that's right, we need to preheat. Get a little sidetracked, want to start stuffing. All right, let's finish these up. Yeah, we might not have too much left over. That's cool. Love it when I plan this stuff right. Again, with stuffed peppers, you guys can make it however you want. Put whatever you want in there. Make it yours. You know, I know there's tons and tons of recipes out there. You know, how you want to do it is how you do it. I mean, it's best not to overthink it, you know what I'm saying? There you go, there's one pepper right there. All right, last one. That stuff down in there. Dude, I don't think I could have planned this much better. Look at that. These are stuffed to the gills with all that goodness. Oh, guys, I'm pumped up. I am pumped up. Let's put this in the sink. Some people say it's more like cleaning with CJ because I do a lot of cleaning. All right, when this is preheated, we'll come back, get these in there. All right, let's get these in there. Pow. Pow. What do you say about that? Look at that. All right, go team. Okay, 20 minutes. We'll come back. 5 minutes with the pepper jack on top. Oh, it's gonna be awesome. We are 13 minutes in, but these are looking about where I wanted them. We got some good brownage over here. Obviously the top's getting all brown. So I'm gonna add the cheese real quick. Okay, so this may be a little bit sooner than I had said. I said it for, we're gonna do 20 minutes, but I think it's time to add the cheese. All right, so I got a double layer of pepper jack. Get that right in the middle there. This is gonna drip. This is gonna be ooey gooey. This is the goodness right here. Let's shut that down. Keep an eye on it. We're gonna go about a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. We're gonna check it every minute or so. Make sure we're not burning. Okay, because that cheese is right up against the heat element. Okay, we let it go for about 4 minutes or so, maybe 6. I don't know, I'm not good at that whole math thing, but that's why we put 2 layers of cheese. A lot of that stuff's melted off, but look at the golden brown, delicious. All right, let's get this out here, plate it up. All right, they're on the cutting board. Piece of cake, didn't even need to use a spatula. All right, we're gonna cut into this green one here. It is still hot. I probably should let it set. hot. But look at that. Woo. All right, I'm gonna let this cool down. If I try to eat this right now, I burn my face off. All right, we got the pitcher. It's had a chance to cool down just a little bit. I'm gonna take a quick bite of that cheesy, like my steak knife here. So there you go. Whoops, dropped a piece of corn. All right, there you go. I mean, what's not to love? Smoked meat, cheese, onions, peppers. I mean, I don't want to say that I knew this was gonna be awesome, but I knew it was gonna be awesome. This is amazing. That pepper jack on top. I'm glad I put those little chipotle peppers in there. So good. Ooh. This is gonna be a good little dinner right now. All right, guys. That's it for this one. If you want to get a Ninja Foodi Grill, links down below to my Amazon store. It's affiliate link. You don't pay more, but a little bit comes back to the channel. If you want some Cooking with CJ merch, links down below. If you want to become a show producer, become part of CJ's crew for real, click this link right here. It's my Patreon account. That's it, guys. I'm impressed, dude. This is good. Guys, give this one a shot. In the comments below, tell me what you think about it. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care.